Hello everyone. So today I was playing with the Jira REST API, and I have made a lot of videos on Jira REST API. In fact, I have like a proper full free course on my website ravisagar.in. But there are some endpoints which I have never really covered, and I think I also need to update my previously written script. So I thought, okay, let me just do something very quickly, and of course I'll make a video so that you can also learn something about it. So basically in Jira, there is something called as, of course, different groups. And when you have different groups, you can assign those groups to different products. And of course, on Jira Cloud, when you add a new user, you have to basically tell, or basically when you are adding a new user, you have to configure and assign that particular user to one of these products so that they can use those products, right? Now, if I look at the Jira REST API documentation, on top, we have something called as announcement banner, and I have covered this in one of my previous, not recent, but in one of my video where I have shown how to update the announcement banner using REST API. So you can watch that video. And today I thought, okay, let me just proceed further and take a look at some of the other endpoints. The next endpoint is application roles, and basically, if you run this in your browser. So the endpoint is REST API 3/application role. It will basically return all the application roles that we have in our Jira instance. So we have something called as Jira Product Discovery, then Jira Service Desk, Jira Software, and of course Jira Core. So basically, if you want to access it using your script, all you need to do is you just need to make a call. And I have this script already, which is nothing but a simple curl command, and I have of course this JQ, which is basically a JSON parser. And if I look at the JSON here, I am basically looking at the key, and of course we have other things like groups which you can access if you want. So I will make a call, and if you run this, you will basically get these groups. And of course you can use this information to do some analysis. Maybe you're trying to understand access of different users and their groups to these application roles. So that is it for this video. I know, a short video, but I will continue making videos on more endpoints. As I just mentioned, I have a lot of videos on Jira REST API, but if I look at all of my videos on my channel, majority of the views that I get are actually on my REST API videos and script runner videos. So I'm thinking of making more videos on these topics, because I think that is why you follow my channel. And of course, I talk about a lot of things around Atlassian tools, but REST API integration, scripting, automation is definitely my area of interest. So that is it. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. And by the way, you will find all these scripts on my GitHub repository, so you can just use it. All right, that is it. Bye bye.